Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. I'm going to show you today how to make a ribbon for a gift basket. I have a fundraiser coming up. Now this one was $1.99. It was at Christmas Tree Shop. I bought a while ago, and it has all the different prints of the kitties. This bow is going to be used on a gift basket that I am making for a cat rescue that does a lot of the TNR, the trapping, neutering, and then they return them. So a friend of mine runs it, and so I figured it'd be a nice ribbon to put on the gift basket. The basket's going to have some Scentsy products in it, some Bath and Body, some Yankee Candle, and I think I have a home interior candle, so I'm putting a variety in. So the first thing you want to do is measure this, and you're going to measure it twice the length of that and fold it over, and then you're going to cut it. And because this is a little bit thicker and it is a wired ribbon, I'm going to cut the two sections separately. Normally I would just take the two and do it all together. It saves a little bit of time. And everything I do, I hurry up and get it done. I don't waste the time, and that's why I don't go live. And that is ribbon for that. And I'm going to do the same thing with the wire. Now this wire is the gold one, and I bought this at Dollar Tree for $1, and it's a lot cheaper, and it says 26 gauge right at the bottom. So I'm going to do it twice the length again. Fold it over with your finger, unravel it, and then I'm just going to cut it off right here. Now put it this way and fold it underneath. And we're going to take the ribbon. And now because this has a right side and a wrong side, you're going to definitely always want to flip it so you see the right side. Okay, so I'm going to fold it about that much. You can make it bigger or smaller loops, but because it's going on a gift basket, you don't want to have it too big. Now this one is probably like one finger right here off of the bow dabber machine right here. So I'm going to keep going back and forth and do 12 loops on each side. And once you get the first one, you can adjust it if you have to. And even once you tie it, you can still adjust it. If you run out of it, just do with what you have. This is 2.5 inches by 5 yards. So we may even use the whole yardage up here. And there's not that much on there. So we'll just do with what we have, and we'll just use this as the decoration. Won't necessarily be the bow that's going to hold the basket together. I can use a different kind of bow for that, or just rubber band and tape, but I think another bow would be fine, or some kind of a ribbon material. Yep, going to be just enough for us to make a bow. We probably won't get 12 out of it, but it's okay. It's the thought behind it, and I'm donating this to them because they do a lot with the cats. And my friend who runs the cat rescue, she helped us out when we just got our cats not too long ago. So definitely it is a good thing, a good fundraiser, and she's always there to help people. And our dog does not like our cats, so they have to stay separated. But he goes in the rooms and he tries to see them. And lately he's been trying to steal cookies and snacks from the rabbit. Okay, now that didn't take long at all. Take the middle of the tail, put it right there. And as you can tell, I use a lot of things that I already have in stock. And I buy things on sale. I have bins for every project imaginable. And now I squish this bow down, as you can see. Squeeze it as tight as you can. You might want to give it a little turn, but not too much, because then it'll come unraveled. Pull it as tight as you can, and then twist it. Pull that wire. About 6 times is fine. Okay, and there's our ribbon. And I have some dog print ones too. And I have one wreath that I make. It's a big paw print. It uses 4 small wreaths and 1 big one. And the one I have says wipe your paws. So you can get all different kinds of sayings. But Christmas Tree Shop had quite a few. And there you go. And it's such a pretty ribbon. And if you're local and you need any of these kind of ribbons made, message me and I can get some made for you. I usually charge between $3 and $5 for these ribbons. I don't overcharge. You go to the stores and they're smaller and they're only about $10. So this will be an ideal ribbon to put on. And I make ribbons this size also. And you can see I don't make it very long. These can go on a wreath. They can go on anywhere you need them to.